How to add products to Shopify from Aliexpress. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add products from Aliexpress to Shopify. So when you're looking to add products to Shopify, you might be tempted to directly just try to take, Aliexpress listings or Alibaba listings and you try to copy and paste them onto Shopify. But then you're going to run into several different issues, including order automation. So you would have to manually order everything to you and then send it out to the customer. And that can actually end up costing you a lot more than what you originally thought. So for this, we have several different dropshipping automation platforms, including platforms like Deezers. So AliExpress directly does not have any integration with Shopify, which is where we're going to be using Deezers. So let's jump right in. Now, to get started, simply head on over to your Shopify store. Then you're going to click on settings on the bottom left. Once you click on settings on the bottom left, scroll down. And on the left, you will see apps and sales channels. So you want to click on that and then open up the Shopify App Store. Now, you might say, hey, I can find AliExpress or Alibaba. Well, if you search for AliExpress or Alibaba, you will see that the native application does not exist. These are third-party applications. So instead, you want to search for Deezers. Deezers is a platform specifically built for AliExpress dropshipping. So once you have opened up this particular listing of Deezers, click on install to install the Deezers application. Now, once you click on install, a new tab is going to open up. In this new tab, just click on install to complete your installation process. Once you click on install once more, this is going to lead you to your Deezers login. Now, I already have created an account on Deezers. If you have not created an account on Deezers, you're going to go into Deezers.com and you're going to use your email address to create your account, and then you're going to link your AliExpress account for this. So you do need to have your own AliExpress account to be able to link to Deezers. Once you do that, just click on confirm over here. You guys can see I'm just going to close this up and we're just going to refresh it again. So we're going to open up our Shopify store. And once our Shopify store opens up, we're going to click on confirm. Okay. For some reason, it's not connecting to my account. So I'll show you guys how you can do it. You're just going to log into Deezers or click on create account. And once you click on create account, you're going to type in your email address here. Use a suitable password. Then click on get started. Then once you've done that, I'm just gonna sign up here like so. Log in and authorize. It's gonna have to revisit my Shopify account because it's being a bit slow. It should have it does have the Deezers application installed, but for some reason it's not opening up, which just might be just yeah. Now we're going to click in log in and authorize. Now, once we click on login, some odd reason, confirm. So now that our connection with our Deezers account has been completed, we can proceed on to the next step, which is to actually find appropriate products for our store. Now, this is what your Deezers space is going to look like. This is your home page. Then below that, you have a reporting section on the left. You have product research tools. So you have featured TikTok ads, you have find products, and then you have your supplier optimizer, your import list, and your my product list. So in this, you're going to go into find product. And once you go into find product, it basically just shows you, a micro version of AliExpress, and you can browse like you normally would on AliExpress to find products that you like for your store. So for example, I'm looking for makeup products. I'm going to go into makeup over here and I'm just going to search for the makeup category. Now, I don't think these are going to be good sellers, so I would rather go for clothing. So I'm just going to search for clothing or dresses or tank tops, whatever you're looking to sell. I'm going to search for dress over here. We can even click on the top left and then select a particular category from there as well. So we have a couple of different dresses. I think some of these are going to be pretty easy to sell on our Shopify store. So the way that you're going to import this from Deezers to Shopify or from AliExpress to Shopify is, first off, you want to make sure that the product has some reviews, or at least you find that this product is trustable. I wouldn't want to order a product that only has 3 orders or 1 order. I would want something that has a couple of orders. So for that, what we're going to do is we can actually go back into the home page. And when you go into the home page, it allows you, okay, so we're going to remove automations. And it allows you to see some of the top sellers in every category. And if you're able to find the appropriate category, so we can see we have this Deadpool t shirt, which is being sold for around $6, and the shipping cost is only $2. It's a Deadpool and Wolverine t shirt. Then we have this jewelry set. So I think these products are better. We have this really nice dress which has 17 orders. So I'm going to open this up. And once I open this up, it will actually open up the AliExpress listing as it is. So I'm able to read all the reviews on AliExpress as well. Now, since I like the product and I find the AliExpress listing to be adequate, all I have to do is I can do two options. I can either click on Supplier Optimizer. This will show me all other suppliers that are selling the same dress and what is the best price that I can get. So this is a feature that is exclusively present in Deezers where you don't have to manually search for everything. Instead, Deezers is going to do it for you. So these dresses are similar, but they're not the exact same. So I find that this dress is going to be fine. I'm going to click on Add to Import List, and then I'm going to click on Confirm. Once I do that, this will be added to my import list. So once I do that, I can click on Stay or Check. If I close this, I can directly click on Import List on the left. Now, once you add something to your import list, this means it's not added to your store as of yet. To add this to your store, first off, you want to customize the listing so it looks more appropriate. So you're going to click on this pencil icon on the bottom left, and once you do that, you're going to customize the listing. So instead of this excessively long keyword filled title, I'm just going to name this my Grace Summer Dress. And then after that, we have the reference weight, we have the length, width, height that is added. And then we have the variants that are added. Now, if you are someone that does not want to sell multiple variants, so you guys can see this product actually has two listings. One is a black dress and one is a blue and white dress. So I'm going to remove all of the black and white dress and I'm only going to keep the blue one. And once I do that, I am going to go into the description. Now, the description can be very extensive when it comes to AliExpress. So I'm going to be removing all the pictures from the description because it just doesn't look nice when you have pictures in the description section. And I'm just going to keep the size information and we can add more details. You can add specifications and more according to what your store format is. Then you can go into images and then select the ones that you want to include. So I am going to select all, then unselect them. Then I'm going to select a couple of the ones that I like so, over here. So we're just going to add these. And once I've done that, I'm going to click on shipping info so we can select, all the shipping areas. And once we've done that, just click on push to store on the bottom right. And that is all you have to do to add products from AliExpress to your Shopify store. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.